Alright guys, we're here at Mody Plaza, which is a mixed shopping strip and restaurant. And you guys still remember this elevator here? Well, you remember this thing from almost nearly 10 years ago. I almost got stuck in this thing, and this elevator acted up before. Well, anyways, let's see how this thing is doing today. And there is music here, so I'm gonna have to talk over. But here's the elevator car right here. So let's see how this thing is doing. Ooh, some of the buttons were replaced. You hear the brakes, it's gotten louder since before. This thing's gotten a little bit rough since I last came here. Oh my gosh, look at the brails for both the door open, door stop, and door close button. They're all missing. Anyways, we'll get a cab view. The fluorescent light barely works. But overall, I think this elevator is running just fine. But as you can see, I almost got stuck in this thing almost 10 years ago. And keep in mind that video I did from back in 2015, I was a lot younger back then and wasn't so mature at that time. And it looks like they even replaced some of the brails too. So I wonder how much use could this elevator get, because I've heard Kone was not a good elevator product. I mean, no offense to anyone working on them, but I do ask that you please keep your comments appropriate when you express your thoughts, and no strong languages, please. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and watch the numbers this time. Here goes the brakes. Nice. That 2 button is replaced with the KSS 500. Just look up there. That right there is the EcoDisc drive motor right there. See? That right there is the EcoDisc drive system, as you can see. Well, anyways, that is your 2024 revisit on the 2010 Kone EcoDisc traction elevator at Mody Plaza in Sugar Land, Texas, located on Highway 6. Thanks for watching, and that will be it.